Just moments ago, a groundbreaking revelation has sent shockwaves through the agricultural world. John Deere, the legendary name in farming, finds itself at the center of a storm. For over a century, they've been the backbone of farms worldwide, but now, they're facing an uprising that could change everything. If you enjoy sharp, insightful reviews like this one, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss the stories that matter most to you. This isn't just another corporate controversy. What's unfolding here could reshape farming, technology, and even the food on your table. Stay with us as we break down why farmers everywhere are saying enough is enough, and why this movement is much bigger than just John Deere. To understand the roots of this conflict, we need to look back at John Deere's evolution. Founded in 1837, this company revolutionized farming with the steel plow, a tool that made tilling fields faster and more efficient. Over the years, John Deere became synonymous with trust and innovation, introducing machines that farmers relied on through droughts, floods, and economic downturns. But in the 21st century, their tools evolved from simple mechanics to sophisticated machines powered by advanced software. Today, John Deere tractors are equipped with GPS-guided systems, automated steering, and data-driven farming solutions. These features promise efficiency, but there's a catch: they've made farming equipment harder to repair. The tractors farmers once fixed with a wrench and elbow grease now require diagnostic software that's only accessible to authorized technicians. For many, this shift feels like betrayal. One farmer in Iowa put it bluntly. "Back in the day, if my tractor broke down, I could fix it myself in the field. Now, I need a computer and John Deere's permission. That's not progress, that's control." Farmers in the United States and around the globe are sharing similar frustrations. Equipment breakdowns are inevitable, especially during harvest season when machines are pushed to their limits. But instead of a quick repair, farmers face delays and steep costs because they must rely on authorized dealers. One Nebraska farmer calculated that downtime during a critical harvest window cost him $20,000 in lost revenue. That's not just a personal setback, it's a systemic issue affecting food supply chains. The crux of the controversy lies in control. By locking their equipment behind proprietary software, John Deere holds the keys to repairs. Farmers argue this undermines their autonomy, turning them into renters of their own machines rather than owners. This isn't just a financial burden, it's an emotional one. For many, farming isn't just a job, it's a way of life. Generations of families have passed down skills, knowledge, and equipment. But now, some farmers feel they're losing touch with their craft, reduced to being operators of machines they no longer fully understand. And the costs aren't limited to farmers. When tractors sit idle, crops go unharvested, and the impact ripples outward. Consumers feel the pinch in the form of higher grocery bills. The right to repair movement gains momentum. The frustration has reached a boiling point. Enter the right to repair movement, a growing pushback against corporations like John Deere that restrict repairs. The movement advocates for laws that would require companies to make their repair tools, parts, and software available to consumers and independent technicians. States like California and Colorado are leading the charge with proposed legislation aimed at forcing John Deere and other manufacturers to unlock their technology. These laws would empower farmers to repair their equipment on their terms. If passed, these laws could set a precedent for industries beyond farming, affecting everything from smartphones to medical devices. Imagine being able to fix your iPhone without going through Apple or servicing your car without visiting a dealership. For John Deere, the stakes are enormous. If they resist the right to repair movement, they risk lawsuits, massive fines, and a hit to their reputation. But if they comply, they could lose a lucrative stream of revenue generated from repairs and proprietary tools. This isn't just a farmer's problem, it's everyone's problem. Tech advocates argue that the fight for the right to repair is also about sustainability. By making repairs more accessible, we can reduce e-waste and extend the lifespan of our devices. Meanwhile, environmentalists see an opportunity to cut down on the production of new equipment, which consumes significant resources and energy. Global implications. This controversy isn't confined to the United States. Farmers in Europe, Asia, and Africa are facing similar struggles. In India, where farming is a cornerstone of the economy, repair accessibility is a matter of survival for small-scale farmers. In Australia, one farmer commented, "It's not just John Deere. All the big brands are doing it. They're treating us like cash cows, not partners. The fight for repair rights could become a global movement, uniting farmers, consumers, and activists in a shared cause. Imagine a world where farmers have full control over their equipment. They could troubleshoot issues with open-source software, customize their machines for specific needs, and reduce repair costs. This vision isn't just about convenience, it's about fostering innovation and resilience. So, what happens next? Will John Deere adapt to this movement, embracing transparency and collaboration, or will they double down, risking their legacy in the process? This is a defining moment not just for John Deere, but for industries worldwide. The right to repair fight could reshape the balance of power between corporations and consumers. If you believe in the right to repair and the future of independent farming, here's how you can help. Share this video to spread awareness. Leave a comment with your thoughts. What side of the debate do you stand on? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on this critical story. Together, we can amplify the voices that need to be heard. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story. Remember, this isn't just about tractors. It's about the power of ownership, the resilience of farmers, and the fight for fairness in a changing world.